Hi everyone, right, just a really quick video. I've got some kits that we've done up and I've 3 items here that I don't want, so if you want them, it's got 3 nice keys. You don't have to keep them, you can tap them off. It does work. That needs gluing back on. These were just things that I did as tutorials, and that's a Bakelite handle. No, that's why that won't fasten on. So they just want fastening down if you want to keep it as is. That does fit on. Like I say, it was just to show you the metallic paint, and then these were all things that we'd made and put on as well. So it's just a storage jar. And if anybody's interested, I'm going to be putting it on the shop. It will have in the description that it's just something I did as a tutorial only. So if anybody's interested in that, you'll find that on the shop. This is another one that I did using clay embellishments, and just sharing with you how to do it. It was another tutorial, but I don't keep everything that I make. I can't keep everything I make. I'll have no room. This is another one, which is we decoupaged this and then waxed it. I think we did. Can't remember, you'd have to look back on the video, but it's got a nice beaded charm, 2 lead lace and some trimming, but you actually put your lights in it, so it's like a little light at night. Or you might want it just for decoration or do something else with it. There's no lid, there never was. So yeah, if you I don't know where the lights are to show you what it looks like. I do apologise, but I don't have any lights left that I can actually share with you how to do it, unfortunately. It does look nice when it's lit up though, I have to say. So that's that one. They're going to be on the shop shortly. Now, we've, Joe and I put together before. Joe at the moment isn't very well. They originally thought when she went to the hospital the other day that she had a gallstone or gallbladder problems. Anyway, now they're saying that they need to put a camera down and just have a look at it. It could be something else, because she was in a lot of pain, and I'm hoping my sister, she's my baby sister, and I just hope that she's okay. But before that happened, we were actually doing this when she got the really bad pain. These won't look like this when they're out to you, of course, but we were just putting these kits together. And I'm going to show you, each kit is different, but they've all got very similar things in. Okay, and that won't be like that. It'll be put in a proper one and whatnot. So I'm just going to share with you these kits because they're really, really nice kits. So this one has the, it's absolutely beautiful velvet, like a velour. As you can see, it is very, very pretty fabric. Then you get some tulle with it as well, and some lacy fabric as well. There is a beer mat with everything. A beer mat, I call it a beer mat. It's coaster with them. Then we've put in, now I'll take those out because they're different, some stamen. And then you get a selection of ribbons. Sorry, it's like that. So you have the wired ribbon, you have the matching ribbons for the fabric. That one's a satin and that one's a organza. And then you've got that one as well, and the cordage that goes with them. Now, we haven't cut them too long. I think they're about 3 foot long, these cords and ribbons, because it's only a small kit. And when I say small, there's a lot in it, but it's you know, you can do a tag with it. I'm going to call it the tag kits, to be honest. Anyway, so what we've done, we've added some things that are ready-made as well to help if you're a beginner. So some have got things like this in, some haven't. You've all got a vintage, some, that reminds me of the, like a pineapple, but or thistle. Thistle. The vintage pin. And then you've got like other little pins that you can play around with. See? And then you get 6 of the normal pins. Okay? So you're going to get 6 of the teardrop pins as well, like that. And then you've just got a bag of goodies. So I'm just going to move that there, and we'll sort out this bag of goodies. Now we've more than, that's the wrong one. There's another one. Yeah, okay. So we've got this trimming. This one, I mean, like I said, every kit is different, but they've all got something similar. So that's got that trimming. Then we've got a selection of flowers, really pretty flowers, and some appliques. We've got those flowers. I'm just going to tip it out at the side of me because there's a lot in this. You've all got one of these, so you can actually make, if you're doing a tag, you can put a banner at the top. And I think there's 12 of those little tags, the wooden tags. There's another applique. Oops, drop that. Hang on, let me find it. I've got it. That's another applique. This one's got some of these in. I'll tell you the colours of the kits in a minute, and they're fabric. They're not, they're crocheted. They're like knitted or crocheted. You get the long fluted one. You've got some of these. Quite a few flowers in this lot. You get in, it's like 2-tone pinks or 3-tone pinks, if you know what I mean. There's lots of different shades of pink in it. So you're getting one of those. You're getting more of those. Then you've got a couple of those. The dark and light pink. Same with the acrylic ones. Bling bling, of course. Oops. So you're getting these. Another applique. And I think it's 3 of these. Yeah. So you've those as well. A beautiful colour of those. You've got the metal butterfly stick for a stick pin, then the cameo. A metal spoon, because if you're doing a tag you might just want to put a little something on it. And that's not for this. Yes, it is. Some more of these stamen, double-ended, so you can cut them. This one has a little bit of this in as well. Just trying to think of things to help you. And if you're a beginner, these are great kits for beginners. You're getting a crown, metal crown. 3 of the metal butterflies for stick pins. And like I said, you're getting 6 stick pins to go with it. The bird nest, should I say. The little diamante bead, multicoloured. And then you're going to get some elongated rice beads. You get the love wooden heart, so they can put that on your project. You're getting one of those. Oopsie daisy. The little silver crown. And then some of the acrylic drops that you can add in flowers or onto your projects. Now remember, you don't need to keep your centres in these. You can take this off at the back and you can build a different flower by using several colours. People just think, oh, what am I going to do with one of them? But you can take them apart and redo them. Even with these can all come apart and make them into something else, you know. And if you wanted to do like a bud, you take this off, you cut 1 petal out of each, and then you overlap the other one and it becomes a bud. So you can have an open one and a bud. So you've just got to know what to do and how to do it. So these kits are now, they'll be in the shop shortly. Don't forget you've got your ribbons. And like I said, there's enough there. I could get at least 3 projects out of that. Okay? And there's, like I say, 6 more stick pins of this kind to go in. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.